Today I'll be looking at how to make a bootable CD here, running bookworm PUP64 PuppyLInux, and and let me just show you the hardware. So I do have a mini PC that I've attached in the back of the monitor. So that's and I'm also running a CD drive that I got off of one of the PCs. So, and it's connected with the SATA interface. So we'll be looking at how to go ahead and make a bootable CD. I downloaded down PUP32. It's a recent version of PuppyLInux 32-bit ISO. So we're gonna see if we can go ahead and burn it into CD. First, I did try to burn it with a CD and DVD burner. I think the forum suggests that this is good to make a bootable CD, but it did not work for me. Right click and then use the burn with a pburn, and I've already put in a brand new CD, so it should work. And let's see what so we'll go ahead and close the disk, so it means that there is no additional data can be stored in the CD. So for some reason I get a unusual screen here. So it's correct CD advanced, and then we'll see what it happens if we just maximize the window. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and start the pburn separately, and then we'll load up the disk. Right now it's at this disk is in downloads folder, so we'll go ahead, and here is the disk. So we'll go ahead and put it over on this side. So this is what we're gonna burn, and burn ISO image, and then again we'll close it, and then we'll click it, and then we'll see if what we can do with the burn. What would you like to unpack the system? So we'll just unpack the system first. We're gonna use the temporary my documents, that's fine, and we'll go ahead and burn, and then we'll give it a couple minutes. We'll cut out at this time and let it burn. So we'll stop the recording.